Today's technique has got endless possibilities, and it's perfect for any level, from beginners to the most advanced. And did I mention it's tons of fun? Please stay till the end to see the final outcome. Let's get right into it. If you're wondering what we're going to do today, well, I've got something I always wanted to try. However, I have so many questions in my mind and I have no idea if it's going to work at all. I wanted to make some fern artwork. I was just about to say it's been giving me headaches, but it's been thinking and thinking and thinking. I have to try. We have to try. I'm going to use the real leaves and we'll see if it's going to be any good. I'm going to use this canvas. It's a bit wet now. Don't want anything else but fern, and I'm not sure if it's a good idea or not. I've been trying to position them, and you know what, they are kind of bouncy, and that upset me because I wanted them to stick well. And I'll basically have like 3 leaves and that's it. And these are a bit smaller, but they are all wet. Got a cute little one. Okay, so the first thing I want to do, I want to paint the background. See where we get from there. By the way, the interesting thing is there are 2 types. You can see underneath the leaves. You see some of those with seeds. You know, ferns are quite complex. They are quite strange. They don't have flowers. They don't actually have seeds. They kind of reproduce in a similar way to fungi. So these are little spores. Funny that they are only on some of those leaves. We can call them fertile fronds. Well, sorry, just a little bit of biology here. I love it. I think I'm going to go for something very light. Maybe greeny or bluey first. I am going to use this crazy vibrant green, brilliant yellow green by Liquitex. You can't get any more vibrant than this, can you? First, I'm going to make the lightest background for the ferns to be the closest to us, if that makes any sense. Let me take a brush. So basically, this is very, very light. I might add a little bit of a different green as well. That's a pretty color. I might create layers of different greens and blues. Let's just say that I don't want them very realistic. As you can probably see looking at the colors, that these are not the real fern colors. No, they won't be. I think I'll add a little bit of this blue because I like it. Very cheerful background for my ferns. Usually with my designs I've got something in my head and then I roughly know how to proceed. This time this is like can totally fail. Nothing will make me try it out first. I want to try it here and I want you to see if it fails. I think that's it for the background for now. The background is waiting. Now I want to coat this one, but I think I want it slightly darker than what I've done so far. So I'm going to use this, bit of this. See what happens if we mix those 2. Oh, this is like crazy green, isn't it? What did I find? Pale space grey. Oh. Not too dark. So my job now is to cover the whole leaf. Why am I going to do it? Because I want the leaf to get stuck to the painting, but honestly I'm panicking. I'm in a panic mode because I really don't know if I can manage putting all those leaves with different color and different background. But I am at the same time super excited because of the unknown. Baking paper is my best friend for anything, you know. Baking paper.
You're my best friend.
And I'm so proud of you.
So that's all done. Okay, I have to be rather quick because I don't want the first one to be dry by the time I finish with the last ones. This is so beautiful and I like the color. But the main reason for coating that is so it's stuck to the painting and doesn't move. Because I am planning spraying it Yes, I'm planning spraying. Okay, I think I used it all up. So, yay! Now, this away. This away. Background back. Which one? Let's just do it this way. Okay, how do I want it? Once I put it down, that's it. Hopefully it will get stuck. You see, so now it should be stuck, and hopefully it won't be so dry that I won't be able to proceed, because that will be highly annoying as well. And yes, I know some of the background came off, which is fine. I want another one here. However, I want the other one a different color, because it would be boring if it was the same. I don't know, what do I have here? Once I stick them down, I'll try to film me spraying them. You could make it with children, your grandchildren. It's really fun. Okay, do we need a third one? Something small here. I'm constantly thinking whether they'll get permanently stuck, you know, or not. Because that was my worry. I don't want it anymore. Just like that. Oh! I haven't decided what color I'm going to spray, because obviously this one is going to disappear now once I spray. What about like blue and purple? So I've got this. I'll use blue first. I was going to go outside, but then I can't because of the weather. So I have to quickly make something in the corner of the room. Hopefully it's going to be fine. I opened all the doors and windows. So there you go. Okay, hopefully I didn't flood it. So now I have to wait. I think I want a little bit of this lilac as well. Maybe it's going to be too light, I don't know. More misty. Colors are gorgeous, but I'm still not sure if it's going to work, because how am I going to stick these now down? I would like to preserve that beautiful color. Okay, this is really strange. What if I use some Vaseline? Because all I want is for this not to move. This is probably the strangest thing you've ever seen. I haven't seen it. Like, how will that work? You see, I don't want to use any glue. That's the problem. But if it works, I'll pat myself on the back, you know? Right. Oh, which way am I putting it? Here. Okay, just gently, please don't move. Just stay put. Okay, better than with nothing. Now this one, I'll just put it like this. So what color are we spraying now? Now we've got magenta, light pink, blue, and this. Oh no. It's a bit too light. I'm so excited. And you know what? They actually didn't fly away. Yeah, we've got some blue fern here. Hee. Look at this one. Vaseline worked. So now, oh my goodness, these could be completely stuck. Yes. Okay. Now let's just do this one first. And we've got it a bit multicolored. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Yee, my first ever strange experiment. Okay. That's so awesome. That's so awesome. Oh, this is so awesome. Oh, sorry. I'm just so happy. It came off perfect. No, that was perfect. That was perfect. So there's only this little bit that's not so easy to come off. No, very easy. Sorry. I love those multicolored bits, you know, the lighter and the darker. I am so glad I did that. Now, I'm thinking if I ever try it again, I could think of more layers. It's really nice sort of for the moon. I can imagine the moon there. These look like real leaves stuck here. But this is not. This is just paint. It's a super, super interesting effect. This one's got a bit lighter, but we've got the same. For this, I picked some self-adhesive paper. That was supposed to be frisket paper, but I don't think it's the original, and it's very sturdy, like super sturdy. Got this. I even covered a little bit of those blue sections here, but I can always add them on top. That's not a problem. I've got pearl white as well. So this is going to be the actual moon. First I wanted just a globe, but now I'm thinking I want a moon. More white here. I might even add a titanium white. I think the pearl white behaves better here than silver. Oh, look at this. Like really nicely faded. Oh, I like it. Ah, I like it. I think dabbing it instead of using a brush also gives some nice marks. Let's see what some craters look like. This is pretty dark, so I don't know. It's good to look at it as a real image if you have any. And also depends what side of the moon you are watching. It's a very small section, but we've got 3 colors here: pearl space grey, silver, and pearl white. Hoping that will look good. Okay, let's see. I think I'm liking it. Now I'm thinking I want to add silver leaf to some places, so let's leave the moon to dry. Look at this. We can also wipe it off with a Q-tip. Gilding paste for my silver leaf. This side of the leaf, I don't know how low to go. I'll go probably up to here maybe. Trying to remove some of the bubbles. I've been using this paste for ages and still got plenty. I also want to add the paste here around the edge of the moon. Right. Let's leave it like this. And that should be ready, so I can apply the leaf now. Should wait from 15-20 minutes. Even though I really like silver, I don't often use silver leaf. So I've got quite a few sheets here. Okay, let's start applying. Somebody asked me, oh, what do I use that it doesn't rip straight away? It seems like pretty sturdy. No, they are not. The only sturdy ones, most sturdy ones, are the ones that are with the mirror effect. But these silver leaves are very fragile, and so are the gold ones. While I was doing it, I realized I haven't put anything here. Where was it? And a very small amount on the bottom ones. That was the plan. Okay, want a nice edge on the moon. Okay, couple of tweaks and yeah, you can collect the leftover bits for mixing with resin, for example. I can scrape it off if I don't like it. This is the outcome. I do like the way the moon looks now. I do like the gold leaf on the fern, and I consider it finished. I need to paint the edges and sign it, and then I'll show you some close-ups. We've got the edges now. You know how I like making gradient, matching the paintings. So darker here, much lighter this edge. Oh, very happy with this one. It was so different, but perfect. I love the colors. Did I tell you it's my birthday today? So that's why I wanted something different. And I am in Rome at the moment, celebrating my birthday. After the premiere, of course. Well, I think you enjoyed this episode. I still can't get over how realistic those ferns look. I think these are the best imprints I've ever made. I'm super happy. I would really appreciate if you left a comment if you enjoyed the video, and of course consider subscribing and joining our Patreon group, where from just $2 per month you can see extended versions of each episode and much more. Thank you so much for watching. See you all next week. Bye bye.